If you like the video, please subscribe Technical PCT channel and click the bell icon to get the latest videos.
Please write down. Please write down the problem which is on the board. And before that, a few words from my side. I am requesting you all to mute your audio and stop your video for the smooth functioning. And the second thing it is, I request you all to be regular to the classroom such that we are going to conduct weekends which you are facing in the what it is in the college premises. You are going to get the same pattern, but it is online, right? So for that sake, we are going to teach even the objective also from the next week. Okay. So I request you friends, you just intimate your misuse it. You just sit seriously, similar to the classroom session. Okay. Take your notes and maintain one good notes and be regular. And you just intimate your friends also to be regular to the classroom such that we can cover half of the portion within these 1 month, right? And simultaneously from the next week, we are going to teach the objective on each and every topic which we are covered now, which we have covered now, and which we are going to cover, right? So the main thing it is, you just cooperate, right? Be serious in the classroom, be serious for the classroom. Why? Because today's class impact will be there on tomorrow. And we are observing some videos from here itself. We are monitoring. While we are monitoring, some students are not serious. They are not writing the notes. Of course, we are taking the feedback from the parents. And some parents are literally saying that, sir, they are not writing the notes. They are simply watching the television, like television. So there is no use because each and every problem which is there in exercise we are going to write. And I insist you to download that CBSE textbook, that means NCERT textbook of mathematics, both parts, part 1 and part 2. Okay. So on each and every topic which we have up to which we have covered now, we will get you are going to get the objective on it. Okay. Afterwards, we are going to conduct one objective test on each and every Sunday through online. Okay. So now you just write down the problem which is there on the board. So what is the RHS value you got? A minus B, B minus C, and C will C. Prove that, write down. Prove that delta of LHS is equals to, write down RHS. See, our aim is to get A minus B in the right hand side. Okay. First of all, this is from this problem, it is very important. This is 8th problem in the textbook. From 8th problem to 14th problem, definitely one question is going to get for 4 marks. Okay. So I will teach this one very slowly. You just listen carefully. Okay. I will teach this one minimum 2 to 3 times. Be careful. Observe. In the right hand side, I should get A minus B, right? So which operation is to be used to get A minus B? Observe the LHS, A minus B. That means if I do R1 minus R2, I am going to get none. Okay. I should get B minus C also. What to do if I get B minus C? If I want to get B minus C, B here and C here. If I do B minus C, that means R2 minus R3, I am going to get B minus 3. Same operation I should do. That means, and now I am going to take this one as LHS. Okay. This is LHS. Okay. R1 changes to R1 minus R2. R2 changes to R2 minus R3. Now observe. I am going to change R1 as R1 minus R2. That means I am going to get delta of 1 minus 1 value is 0. Okay. A minus B, right? Here it becomes A square minus B square. Okay. I think you understood up to this step. I am repeating this step. Okay. R1 changes to R1 minus R2. What is R1 where R1 1 minus 1? 0. Okay. Now, I'm sorry. A minus B. Okay. A square minus B square. Okay. Now, second step, second operation here, R2 changes to R2 minus R3. R2, this is R2, okay, minus R3, 1 minus 1, 0, right? B minus C, right? B square minus C square, right? Now, R3 as it is, 1 C square. And I am repeating this step. You should not. You can change R1 and R2, but you should not change R1, R2, R3, 3 simultaneously. In those 3 rows or 3 columns, you can change any 2, but not 3. Okay. Now, I have done this one. Now, observe. Take A minus B. Taking A minus B common from the first row. Why, sir? Because A square minus B square can also be written as A minus B into A plus B, right? At that time, A minus B can be taken outside. So, you are going to get, by taking A minus B out from the first row and B minus C from the second row, you are going to get 0, okay, 0, okay, 1 as a first column. And in the second column, here A minus B, you got it out. So this will be 1. Here B minus C and C as it is, okay. Now, here you got A minus B outside. What will be the first row? A plus B. Why? Because multiply these two. A minus B into A plus B is A square minus B square. Similarly, you got B minus C. Therefore, it becomes what? B plus C. Okay. Now, C square as it is. I am going to repeat this one. See, observe it clearly. From the first row, I took A minus B out. From the second row, I took B minus C out. Therefore, the first row becomes 0. Okay. This is outside. I took out common and it is 1. Okay. Here it is A square minus B square. Nah? It becomes A plus B into A minus B. Okay. So, as it is A plus, that means as you got A minus B outside, A plus B will be there inside, right? Similarly, 0. This is B minus C. Outside you got, here it will be 1 and it is B plus C. And 1C, C square. Now, expand the determinant. Expanding determinant by using R1. You are going to get A minus B, B minus C outside into det of into 0 into, observe, 0 into this column, this row has been excluded. You are going to get these 4 elements. So C square minus C into B plus C. Okay. Minus 1 into this element. This row, this column, this row got 0 minus of B plus C. Okay. Plus A plus B into this column, this row got 0 minus 1. Okay. Now, if you simplify this, you are going to get, observe, A minus B, B minus C into, multiply this one, C square minus BC minus C square, okay, minus of, minus into minus, positive, here it becomes B plus C plus A, here it is minus na, minus A minus B. So you are going to get minus cancel. Okay, now you are going to get minus b plus b get cancel. Here I think we have done some mistake. Observe here what is gone. 1 minute. I will take expanding determinant by using column 1. First column, very easy to do. A minus b, b minus c outside into C. First column I am using 0, 0, 1 is there. So 1 into excluding this row and this column, you are going to get b plus c, okay, minus of a plus b. Okay, so you are going to get this. Now observe a minus b into b minus c into b plus c minus a minus b. Minus b plus b get cancelled. You are going to get a minus b, b minus c, c minus a as RHS. I am repeating this problem. Observe here carefully. R1 changes to R1 minus R2. 1 minus 1, 0. A minus B, A square minus B square. Okay. And here 1 minus 1, R2 changes to R2 minus R3. 1 minus 1, 0. B minus C, B square minus C square. Now A minus B outside, B minus C outside. 0, 0, 1. Here you got outside now it is 1. This is 1 and this is C. And here you are going to get A plus B. Why? Because A minus B is outside. A square minus B square can be written as A minus B into A plus B. So A plus B, B plus C, C square. Now I expanded the determinant by using the third column. Positive, negative, positive. So 1 into, observe, this column, this row gone. A, B, C, D. A, D means B plus C. Minus B, C. 1 into this is A plus B. Now you just remove the brackets, you are going to get this. Plus B minus B get cancelled, you are going to get C minus C. Copy this one. I request you all to stop your video, please. Please stop your video. Copy that problem. Requesting you all to stop your video, please. Copy that problem. Please write down the notes. I hope you are all writing the notes. Yeah, thank you. Thank you very much. I am observing some notes from here. I am very thankful to them. Very good. Very good. Very good. Very good. I am very happy to see your response. Thank you. Why? Because I have completed my PU logback. This is the program only meant for you people. So be serious, and easily we can cover minimum 4 to 5 chapters. See, already inverse trigonometric functions we have completed, right? And here matrices we have completed, right? And determinants it will be completed within 2 or 3 days. That means this weekend, okay? And I think there we have completed continuity and differentiability. So here itself we have completed four chapters, right? And of course, tomorrow or day after tomorrow, I will tell the weightage of each chapter we have completed. Okay, be serious, and it will be useful to you. Yes, write on the next problem. Eighth problem, that means in the same type, second problem is there. Observe. I think you can do this problem. And so you write down this problem as homework. Show that 1, 1, 1, A, B, C, A cube, B cube, C cube is equals to A minus B into B minus C into C minus A into A plus B plus C, as it is. Similar to the previous problem, hope you can do this one as homework. Do this problem as homework. Why? Because you are going to get the next problem similar to this one only. Take down this one as homework and write down the next problem. I am writing here, don't worry, you copy that one. Now, write down the ninth problem, that is next problem. Show that x square yz, first row, y square zx, z square xy is equals to x minus y minus z minus x into xy plus yz plus zx. This is also important problem. I will teach this one very slowly, observe it carefully, that's all. Definite question, that means these are definite questions for 4 marks, listen carefully. What is the LHS given to you? You just write it down. That of, okay, x square yz, okay, y square xz, and here z square xy. First of all, in the right hand side, we are having x minus y minus z minus x. Now, how to get that one? We have done it, that means previous problem now itself. In the previous problem, what we have done, you just follow the same method, like R1 changes to R1 minus R2, R2 changes to R2 minus R3. Okay. Now, that of x minus y, I think you are all observing x minus y, and here x square minus y square, and here y, observe, yz minus xz. Okay. And second operation, what we have done, R2 changes to R2 minus R3, y minus z, y square minus z square, okay, and xz minus xy, okay. Now z Z square xy. Am I right? I am repeating this step. Observe this one carefully, please. R1 changes to R1 minus R2. R1, this is R2. R1 minus R2, x minus y. Observe, x minus y. X square minus y square. YZ minus XZ. Okay, YZ minus XZ. And here, Y minus Z. Okay, Y square minus Z square. Okay, XZ minus XY. Have understood now? And third row as it is. Okay, now observe x minus y. What is the meaning of x square minus y square? You can write that one as x plus y into x minus y. This one can be written as x minus y into x plus y. This one, in this one, you can take minus z common. You are going to get x minus y. Am I right? Suppose, observe. You can take minus z common. You are going to get x minus y. So, in the problem, in the next step, I am going to take x minus y outside. Therefore, I am going to get 1. Here, this entire quantity you got that one outside. Okay. 1. Okay. In this part, x minus y, you got it out. So, you are going to get x plus y. Why? Because x square minus y square can be written as x minus y into x plus y. Here, you got x minus y outside, therefore it will be minus z. Observe, x minus y into minus z, minus zx, minus into minus, plus yz. So, I took x minus y outside and I got minus z. Okay. Now, from the second row, y minus z common, y minus z common, there will be 1 here, and here it will be y plus z, and here it will be minus, which is common here, see x. Okay. Now, this is z, z square, and xy. Okay, this is the thing which you are going to get. Now, we got x minus y, y minus z. I should get z minus x. Now, if I want to get z minus x, what to do? Observe, z minus x. So, if I do R2 minus R1, is it possible or not? Observe, R2, y plus z minus x minus y. Observe, y plus z minus x minus y. These two get cancelled. I am going to get z minus x. And here also minus x minus of minus z. So it becomes z minus x. Am I right? That means if I do R2 minus R1, I am going to get, okay, z minus x. So, what to do, sir? R2 changes to R2 minus R1. R2 changes to R2 minus R1. That means x minus y, y minus z into delta of R1 as it is 1 x plus y minus z. Okay. R2 minus R1, 1 minus 1, 0. Y plus z minus x minus y. It is z minus x. Why? Because minus y plus y get cancelled. And here also you are going to get z minus x. Okay. Now z square xy as it is. Now from the second row, taking, okay, z minus x outside from second row R2, you are going to get x minus y, y minus z into z minus x into delta. Okay. What will be the first row? First row as it is 1 x plus y minus z, and 0 1 1. Okay, and here z square xy. Okay, now observe, expanding the determinant by using first row, that means you are going to get expanding that we are going to get the answer. What we are going to get? X minus y, okay, y minus z, z minus x into CF1 into, eliminate this column and this row. You are going to get these 4 elements. So AD means XY minus BC means Z square minus of this element X plus Y into, eliminate this row and this column. You are going to get 0 minus Z plus Z into, means minus Z into, eliminate this column and this row. You are going to get 0 minus Z. I am repeating. Okay, observe. I am repeating. X minus y, y minus z, z minus x, and expand this one 1 into, eliminate this column and this row. You will have 4 elements, AD xy minus BC z square minus of x plus y into, eliminate this column and this row, 0 minus z, okay, minus z into, eliminate this column and this row. You will have 0 minus z. Simplifying that, you are going to get the RHS which you are got. You copy up to here. Afterwards, I will write the last step. Copy up to here. Write down slowly, nothing to worry. Requesting you all to mute your video, please. Please turn off your video. And some students are showing their notes. I am very happy to see. Very happy. Please maintain the same good notes. Very happy. Thank you. Thank you very much for writing notes. Yeah, and in chat box, I got one doubt here. Changing of rows is same for every problem, na sir? Obviously, but even you can use columns also. There is no government order only to use rows. You can use columns also according to the problem. Nothing to worry. You can use columns also. In the next problems, I will teach on columns. Okay. Please turn off your video. Yes, copy that one slowly. See, observe this one. This is not clear in your screen. It is x minus y. This is not x minus 4. Okay, x minus y. Shall I rub this side? Yeah, observe the last step which I am going right here. Like x minus y into y minus z into z minus x, okay, into xy minus z square minus xz minus of minus plus xz, okay, or zx plus yz and minus of minus plus z square. Plus z square minus z square get cancelled, you are going to get x minus y, y minus z, z minus x into xy plus yz plus zx. Hope you understood this one. This is called RHS. Take down those two steps. Hope you understood that one. And let me move to the next problem. I am going to get 2x plus 2x, 4x, right? 4x plus x, 5x, 5x plus 4, okay? So C1 changes to C1 plus C2 plus C3, right? Therefore, what C1 becomes? 5x plus 4, okay? 2x, 2x, okay? Next, 5x plus 4, here x plus 4, okay? Here 2x. Next one, 5x plus 4, here 2x, and here x plus 4. Okay, observe this problem, observe this step now clearly, observe that step. C1 changes to C1 plus C2 plus C3. Now the first column becomes 5x plus 4 and remaining those two. Okay, now take that 5x plus 4 outside. What is that 5x? That means this is 5x plus 4 now. Take this one outside, 5x plus 4 out. So you are going to get 1, 1, 1. Am I right? And here 2x, here x plus 4, here 2x, here it is 2x, here it is 2x, and here it is x plus 4. Right? Now I got one quantity in RHS. I got one quantity in RHS called 5x plus 4, and I should get 4 minus x square, right? How to get it? Observe how to get it. How to get 4 minus x. Observe whether I am correct or not. R2 changes to R2 minus R, R2 minus R1. Sir, is it mandatory to do R2? You can use columns also, nothing to worry. C2 changes to C2 minus C3. C2 minus C3 you can do. Easily you are going to get. Okay, observe. R2 changes to R2 minus R1 and R3 changes to R3 minus R1. Two operations in only one step. Right? Now observe 5x plus 4 as it is. Okay, that of R1 as it is 1, 2x and 2x here. Now R2 minus R1, 1 minus 1, 0. X plus 4 minus 2x. X plus 4 minus 2x. It is 4 minus x. And 2x minus 2x, 0. Okay. Now, R1, R3 changes to R3 minus R1. 1 minus 1, 0. And 2x minus 2x, 0. X plus 4 minus 2x. X plus 4 minus 2x. It is 4 minus x. Now, taking 4 minus x out from R2 and R3, right? That means from R2, take 4 minus x outside. From R3, take 4 minus x outside. You are going to get 5x plus 4. I took 4 minus x outside, right? From where? R2. Another R2 here, observe. R1 as it is. I took 4 minus x outside from R2. 0, 1, 0. Okay. And I am going to take 4 minus x from R3. So again it becomes 4 minus x. Okay. And R3 becomes 0, 0, 1 here. Okay. Now expand the determinant. You are going to get expanding determinant, expanding debt. Expanding debt, we are going to get the answer. How? Observe. 5x plus 4 into 4 minus x whole square into 1 into this one into this row, this column gone. AD minus BC, 1 minus 0 minus 2x into, okay, this column, this row gone, 0 minus 0 plus 2x into 0 minus 0. You are going to get this entire determinant value as 1. So 5x plus 4 into 4 minus x whole square into 1. These are RHS. Copy it. And copy that one, please. Hope you have copied that one and write down one problem as homework. Take down delta of y plus k, y plus k, y plus k is equals to k square into 3y plus k. Easily you can get, observe, same pattern. C1 changes to C1 plus C2 plus C3. Y plus Y, 2y plus Y, 3y plus k. You take that one outside and you are going to get the answer. That is homework. And tomorrow we can see some more problems on this.